Hey guys, welcome back to the channel.
Spring has sprung.
March is here.
Yay! Out with the old and in with the new. This is the month that we get our brand new motorhome.
As you can see, we are still in our old motorhome.
Yeah.
Last time we sat and chatted like this was, I think when we took you to the Peterborough show.
Yes, and we did that video explaining what to look for when you're buying your first motorhome or when you're buying your next motorhome.
I know that has gone down really well. And of course, don't forget layout, and maybe try one out before you buy. And it's following on from that video that we wanted to bring to your attention the scams going on out there.
Yeah, we've had a couple of really sad emails from subscribers who were going ahead with a private sale and completely lost their deposits.
Right, here's one here, look. Just wanted to give you an update. We put a deposit down on the motorhome a few weeks ago, and when my husband went to collect it, there was no one of the same name at the house. We got scammed. I have to say it's upsetting. We've lost £5,500 and the bank say we're unlikely to get it back, but we have our fingers crossed.
£5,500, that's such a lot of money to lose as a deposit, isn't it?
It is. So just be careful out there, guys. I mean, trust your instincts. If it seems too good to be true, it may well be.
Yeah, the couple of people we've talked to about this, they both said that the advert was their dream van, and it was probably just a little bit too good to be true. It was cheap enough to get the interest going straight away.
And they hadn't seen the van, so we highly recommend, before putting any deposit down, go and view the van that you're interested in.
Absolutely.
And don't send any money before seeing that. We've had quite a month and we wanted to sit down and have a chat with you guys about what we've been up to this month.
Especially the exciting bits.
Yeah. What was the first thing we did? In fact, we bought Camp Quirky tickets, so we're definitely going to be at Camp Quirky, guys.
Who's going to be there? Are you going to be there? Get in the comments and let us know.
Yeah, it's sold out show, but did anyone get tickets? Get in the comments and let us know, because we're going to be there. Who else is going to be there? I know Bruce and Phil's going to be there, those two wits. Darran's going to be there, the Urban Motorhome. Tash is going to be there.
Yay!
Not John, Life Beyond Bricks, Tash. And the girls are going to be there. Em and Lou and Greg Virgo's going to be there, of course. They are doing talks. The girls and Greg are doing talks at the show, so definitely come over and say hi. Let us know in the comments if you're coming to Camp Quirky.
Yay! Who can we see there?
So we've met lots of new friends this month.
Yeah, we've had lots of opportunities to meet lots of different people.
And we met a very special van. We met Trudy when Tread the Globe came to visit. I wouldn't be surprised if they come out and go, oh my God, Steve's doing some work.
And it's on camera.
They'll say that's why he's doing the work.
Yeah, Trudy's looking all sparkly on the bonnet again, nice and fresh.
She really is.
That is the first new logo on the van.
Right.
Look at that badger.
Beautiful.
Da, 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 da. Beautiful.
Okay.
Right, you're going to stick your sticker.
I'm honoured. Look at this.
Look at that.
A Roman Radford sticker on
Radford.
Trudy. I'm honoured. Here we are, guys.
The wall of fame.
Hey,
We won't
have it
judge you
here.
if it's not straight.
Oh,
Yeah.
let's not go over
I'll
Life Beyond
judge.
Bricks. There you go.
No, Tash will shout at us.
How's that, guys?
That is
Right next
beautiful.
to Jon and Tash.
There you go. You joined the wall of Trudy's Wall of Fame.
Thank you very much. We're honoured, aren't we?
No,
Oh,
thank
listen.
you.
See you later, guys.
Thank you.
Bye.
It's a little bit sad because they've already left the country again. I feel like we maybe chased them off. But it was always in their plan.
They're in New York now, guys. So head over to their channel and catch up with them if you're not already. But their adventure continues in America with Trudy. So
They are examples of people who know how to handle a plot twist, aren't they?
right.
Their plan to go around the world in one direction has been scuppered. So they've decided to start again in the other direction.
In the other direction.
I think that's brilliant.
So we're looking forward to following their travels. So loads has happened this month, as I say. We went to see our new motorhome. I'm sure you saw that video. If you didn't, guys, there's a link in the description. It is beautiful. I'm going to pick that up in a few weeks. Also, big changes. We sold Lindsay's car. She's had a Tesla Model 3 for 2.5 years now, but we'd ordered the Tesla Model Y. We sold her car and we went down to Southampton to a special event that Tesla are holding. They were trying to beat the record that Shanghai has got for delivering 804 Teslas in one day, so they were attempting to beat that. Not sure if they beat that yet, but we went down and we picked up Lindsay's lovely new Model Y. AJ71 UWF. Let's see if it opens the car, shall we? Yay!
It does.
Initial look round it.
Okay.
Electric boot, I just noticed as I opened it. But
That's amazing.
right.
George has figured out how to make his seat sit back a bit. I love the black trim compared to the silver trim on the old 3 that we had.
Right.
I love the black outfit.
Many people do the dechroming if they have the silver, and now they're doing it as standard, aren't they?
Yeah.
And if you'd like to see the full video of that, of us collecting Lindsay's car, then head over to my personal YouTube channel. There's a link in the description. And the NEC Show, what a week that was.
My feet are still recovering, I think.
I'm sure you'd have maybe seen that video, but yeah, we spent the week going back and forth to the show because the camper van's ready to sell and we did want to use that. So, and we're only an hour from the NEC in Milton Keynes, so back and forth every day to the show. We were doing our talk on the Camping and Caravanning Club stand.
We're here today to talk about how our motorhome and our travels has given us freedom to go and explore. We explore over Europe.
Absolutely, yeah. We spent 6 weeks, if you don't know, going throughout Europe, travelling all over as far down as Greece, Albania, Montenegro, Croatia.
And we also explore around the UK as well. Yes, that was great fun. We talked about our trip around the NC 500, which was winter 2016 between
Right.
two named storms.
Christmas 2016. Our good friends Phil and Bruce recorded that and even edited the video for us, and that we put out on Wednesday. If you haven't seen that, there's a link in the description, guys. Go off and watch that about our talk.
Yeah.
And the meet up with subscribers. We met subscribers every day at 1 o'clock. So all you that come to say hi, that was fantastic. Come and grab a sticker. And we're planning on doing a similar one at the NEC Show in October. That went that well that the organisers said we can do it again in October. So
I think that was actually my absolute highlight of the show. I love that
Yeah.
we both got back used to, or both endured public speaking for the first time in probably 20 years.
at least 20 years since I've been up on a stage talking like that.
That was really good, but actually meeting everybody
That was a highlight.
Yeah, it was lovely.
That was brilliant.
Thank you for coming and saying hi. And if you send me an email and say that you didn't come and say hi because you were too nervous to speak to us,
You'd be
then
in trouble.
to you.
Also, it was my birthday at the show, and at one of the days on my birthday, when I was doing the talk, everyone sung happy birthday to me and made me go red and get very, very embarrassed. Hope you've enjoyed that, guys. Thanks for listening. Enjoy the rest of the show. If you've got any questions, we're quite happy to answer.
Happy birthday, Steve! Happy birthday, Steve!
Thank you. I won't get away with that, wasn't it? Happy birthday, dear Steve! Am I going red? Thank you.
That wasn't your only happy birthday sing-song, was it?
No, actually, the Rucks guys, the Rucks stayed on our driveway after the show before. They've now got on full time in their van. If you don't know who they are, again, we'll put a link in the description. And before they headed off to France, they left the NEC and stayed on our driveway. And we went out for a meal, and they brought in some cakes and sung happy birthday too. So that was lovely.
So we've just discovered it's Steve's birthday in the morning. And we had cupcakes on board anyway because it's Amelia's birthday on the weekend, and we've already munched half of them.
And to be fair, right, there's actually 6 kids here.
Yeah.
So there's 6 cakes
Yeah.
plus 1.
So what we've done is we've arranged a little candle in a cake for Steve because he's like, oh, I don't want to spend anything on my birthday. So we're going to go and surprise him, and actually think this is going to be really hilarious.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, pal. Are we going to sing this in English or Welsh, because he is Welsh, isn't he? Pen blwydd hapus?
English.
Seriously, you don't know Pen blwydd hapus?
Pen blwydd hapus.
E.T. Have hapus. E.T. Let's do that.
No, let's not. He's watching our YouTube.
Is he watching our YouTube? He's got nothing better to do then. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mr. Steve Bradford.
Happy birthday to you.
Hip hip.
beautiful Welsh choir.
I don't want to make a big thing of it, but
You never want to make a big thing of it. But they've got young children. They travel with 3 young children. Really lovely family. And they've just landed in France, haven't they?
absolutely. So go and check out their adventures on their channel.
They've got some wonderful adventures ahead.
Absolutely. So being at the show was not about looking at new motorhomes, although we did look at a few, and I hope you enjoyed that video.
Well, I don't know if you enjoyed it. I enjoyed looking at all the motorhomes. I love doing that.
Yeah, it's great, isn't it? But also, we were looking for accessories and upgrades
Yes.
for the new van. And we did record a little more footage, so we'll have another video for you next week about some of the accessories and upgrades that we're looking to do to our van.
Yeah, he was like a kid in a sweet shop.
Also, the talk went that well that the Camping and Caravanning Club has asked us to do another talk, and that's at the National Outdoor Expo this month, later this month, 19th and 20th of this month. So we're going back to the NEC to do to probably do the same talk, but certainly do another talk at that show. So if anyone's going to that show, do come over and say hi.
It's never exactly the same talk twice.
No.
We don't have a script.
So we'll be there for that weekend at the NEC, guys, 19th and 20th of March, and we hope to see you there.
What an incredible month it's been. Thank you so much to everybody who came and said hello at the shows. And the number one question was, did we actually buy the van that we said we had? And yes, we did. If you don't know what I'm talking about, have a look here, and we'll see you on the next one. Arrivederci.
Oh, you're still here.